Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for the Robinhood Gold Card. First, understand that this card is exclusively for Robinhood Gold members, offering fantastic benefits like 3% cash back on nearly all purchases. Currently, there's a waitlist to join, so getting started involves reserving your spot. We'll walk through each step to help you navigate the application process smoothly. To be eligible for the Robinhood Gold Card, you must first be an active Robinhood Gold member. This membership costs $5 per month or $50 annually. You'll also need a Robinhood financial brokerage account to easily redeem your cashback rewards. Additionally, applicants must be U.S. residents residing in one of the 50 states. Meeting these criteria is key to moving forward with your application. The application process begins by joining the waitlist, typically found within the Robinhood app or on their website. Once your spot becomes available, you'll receive an invitation to apply. During the application, you'll need to provide personal details such as your full name, social security number, residential address, and estimated annual income. Remember, a soft credit pull occurs initially, with a hard pull only after you accept the card offer. The Robinhood Gold Card offers incredible benefits, including an uncapped 3% cash back on most purchases and 5% on travel booked through their portal. While there's no annual fee for the card itself, remember that an active Robinhood Gold membership is essential. You can start using your virtual card immediately after approval. For more great deals, including the Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.